Welcome to the first episode of Useful Redstone. My name is Nacho, and we're going to build a machine that will craft dispensers. Everybody hates making dispensers. It's like the worst to make dispensers. Now, I built many of these machines over the last couple of weeks, and I've made some really complicated and crazy things, but this one I think people are going to like. And this one is something anybody could make and fit into their base. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put down the crafter block. Look how pretty. All right, the new crafter block. Second, we're going to fill the crafter block. I had a bow. There you go. And we're filling it in the same order that it fills in. Let's put the redstone in, and there you go. It's filled. If I hit the button right now, it will make a dispenser. Now you're saying, well, that's great for one. After that, it's going to make nothing but droppers. Well, we're putting another crafter right behind it. All right, this one we're going to configure for bows. Actually, I could fill it just like it would. There you go. See, that's going to make bows. And if you want to stop, that's it. All you need is a button on the front. And you'll see it made a bow and it replaced the bow. Hit it again, replace the bow. Now you have you can make a stack of dispensers super easy. You want to do more? You put two hoppers in. This hopper, I'm going to put string and sticks. This hopper, I'm putting redstone and cobble. And you could put a chest and put a lot of it, but just to show you how it works, since these are already filled, they automatically refill. You don't have to worry about sorting or timing or anything. It's just going to work. Same thing back here. You'll see it's all back to full. I click the button, click the button, click the button, go back in. It's filling back up. As long as you don't do a stack's worth and empty it, this machine will not need to be reconfigured. It will just work. So if you want to set this up in the back of your redstone work area and go, okay, I'm going to need one of these, one of those, one of them, you can put a bunch of these in a row and boom. Right. As quick as going into your inventory, you can have whatever part you want.